Notion Startup Plan Honest Review, watch before using. Links to everything I mention are in the description. Let's dive straight in. The Notion Startup Plan is designed specifically for early-stage startups and small teams looking to centralize their work, from docs and wikis to tasks and databases, without upfront costs. It's completely free for qualified startups under 10 employees who are backed by select accelerators, investors, or VCs. That means if you're building a product and need a powerful all-in-one workspace, this plan gives you full access to Notion's team plan. No paywalls or limits on blocks, guests, or version history. Key features include unlimited pages and blocks, collaborative editing, team spaces for different departments or projects, and advanced permissions. Critical for keeping internal documents secure while giving stakeholders the right access. You also get API access, integrations with Slack, GitHub, and other tools, plus admin tools and analytics. It's especially useful for product teams, founders, marketers, and devs working in fast-paced environments who need a single source of truth and seamless knowledge sharing. Compared to managing Google Docs, Trello boards, and Slack threads separately, Notion unifies all of that in a customizable visual workspace. The onboarding is simple, and it doesn't require technical expertise. Templates are available for product roadmaps, meeting notes, hiring pipelines, investor updates, and more. You can fully customize databases and dashboards for team workflows. If you're coming from Jira or Confluence, Notion feels much more flexible and intuitive, though it lacks some of the specialized features for engineering teams. So keep that in mind. Also, performance can dip a bit with large databases or lots of media content, but that's a minor trade-off for the overall flexibility you get. So, who is this for? If you're an early-stage startup that needs to move fast, stay lean, and maintain tight team communication without paying for yet another SaaS tool, the Notion Startup Plan is a no-brainer. It's not for large orgs, solo users, or those requiring complex integrations or deep analytics out of the box. But for agile teams under 10 people, it's one of the most generous and capable free tools available. If you qualify, apply through Notion's startup program. Link is below. That's it. No fluff, just facts. Let me know in the comments if you've used it and how it worked for your team.